Hey y'all, what's poppin', what's poppin', what's poppin'? It's your girl Tina Bling, and we back again with another episode of Tina Bling's TV. Okay, what I gotta say. Ultimate skincare glow up. Into the skin. Okay, y'all, so y'all remember in last week's episode, I said I was going to be going in with my Tree Hut Pink Champagne Shea Sugar Scrub. And yeah, so that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to be scrubbing my arms because I need to wax. So before I wax, I like my arms nice and prepped for waxing. So in this video, I'll have the scrub first and then the waxing part second. So, and of course, I'll be putting the timestamps down below. So if you want to see the waxing section, just go to the timestamp, boo. Let's get it popping. Let's get it shaking. Sugar scrub time. That's what you want to make sure you go do is make sure you take a hot shower or bath. It is recommended that you do these sugar scrubs in the shower, but I do them on camera, so I'm not going to do that. I'm going to rinse it off right here, and then we're going to scrub. Yeah, ready? Alright, so before I get started, I want to show you like before my arms. My hairs are very light on my arms because I wax. So let's see how it works on the skin. I got the nice goo gop. Now let's work. Damn, it's probably a big goo gop. So let's work. We're gonna go in circular motions. I should do this over the tub. Ooh. Focusing on your elbows. You might even want to grab some more stretch marks. Brooklyn. Yeah. Even after I'm done, I like to take my gloves and just massage the insides of my hands because it is double-sided, so your hands does get that massage. I have a glove on because I have a cut on my finger and I didn't want to get any sugar scrub in it. But I mean, overall, I feel like it's a real basic scrub. I'm not too yippy about it. I'm not too like, it does the job. Sugar crystals is pretty still like there, if you can see it. Let's rinse off. And it's supposed to be the limited edition set. I'm guessing for like New Year's, for like the holidays. Okay, alrighty. So, I am fresh out. Now, I just say it was very one note, but it smelled really good when I was washing it off. I'm not gonna lie, it really did smell really fresh. This is a fresh scent. So if you're looking for a sugar scrub that doesn't have a crazy amount of fragrance, I do recommend the Pink Champagne from Tree Hut. Alright, y'all. So, yeah. My wax machine is right here. Yum, yum, yum. Let's get waxing. Might be my thumbnail. My wax is already steady, pressed to go. We're gonna grab our pre-wax, some popsicle sticks, my wax. This is my personal wax, so I'm gonna be dipping it and doing it with one stick, and y'all ain't gonna tell me nothing because I'm grown. Don't share your wax. Come on, it's disgusting. Unless you're doing it by yourself, it's not that disgusting, I guess. All right, so let's grab our pre-wax treatment, and I'm gonna just spray. My arms are really not even that hairy. Like, I'm so happy. All right, so grab your popsicle stick, and you want to go in the direction of your hair. So my hair is going downward, so we're gonna put our wax downward and then rip in the opposite direction. Sounds like a splan. Sounds like a splan. Let's just throw some wax on this arm. Boom, boom, boom. We have our second. Oh, why? All right. Oh my God. Yo, my arm is stiff. All right. Shit. Oh. Ooh, child. Ooh, child. Ooh, child. Ooh, child. All right. Oh, but it feels so good. That's one thing about waxing, like the after effect. I love it, so I don't even mind going through a little pain. Alrighty, so I'm all done waxing my arms. Now it's time to go in with our post-shave mist. So you just spray it, and it makes you look good. Like, even as a sheen, I like to use it on my body. I'm sorry. And just like that, we are done. Our arms are nice and silky and soft and ready to go. I see y'all back again with another one because my radiator want to interrupt this video. Peace. Peace. Peace.